Hello dear friends, so how are you all? I'm back here today to show you how to change your unhealthy lifestyle to healthy lifestyle. So if you want to be active, want to be energetic, want to look fit और इंडॉल्स की तरह खुशी से नाचना गाना चाहते हो तो आज ही अभी से मेरा फॉलो करें नेक्स्ट स्लाइड जिसमें मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी आपको कैसे अपना अर्ली मॉर्निंग मील रिप्लेस करना है टी कॉफी को छोड़ के क्या खाना है वॉच माई नेक्स्ट स्लाइड नाउ
Start your day with a healthy morning meal. Say no to tea and coffee. Replace it with soaked almonds and walnuts during night and take it with the green tea. Almonds and walnuts are known to be the crown of healthy life. They reduces weight, rich in protein and fiber, reduces blood pressure, blood sugar. They have omega-3 fatty acids which hydrate the skin, provide nourish to the skin. Now, can thyroid patient take it? Oh yes, because they contain an important selenium mineral which convert T3 to T4. Now, who cannot take it? Those who is having dementia, Alzheimer disease, because they can forget to swallow it and it can cause choking. Now please watch my next slide. There is a reason why not to take tea and coffee early morning meal. It creates dehydrating effect in body, disturb pH balance which causes nausea, vomiting, stomach ache. It is not good for health. So start follow this healthy routine from today itself. See you in next slide with my healthy recipe of green tea.